Hello and welcome to Truman Tech Breaks. I'm Thomas, and today we're going to talk about how to download and distribute Zoom videos from the cloud. Now, when you record to the cloud in Zoom, your videos are stored virtually in a way where students can access them if you want to give them access. I'm sure many of you are familiar with this and have used this method for several months now. However, we do not have unlimited storage space on Zoom, so keeping videos indefinitely long-term on the cloud is unfortunately not a viable solution. Luckily, we do have alternatives, notably YouTube and Google Drive, where storage is much less of an issue. And especially with the case of Google Drive, if you're Truman faculty or staff, you should have unlimited storage space. So the first thing we need to do if we're going to move our videos off the cloud is to download them from the cloud. So I am going to go to zoom.us, and you can see I've already logged in here. So you'll have to do that if you have not yet done so. Make sure you have your Zoom password ready. And you should see in this personal area over here, you won't have this admin area, but you will have this personal area. And we've got profile, meetings, webinars, but we want to go to recordings. I'll bring up all my recordings here. Now there's a couple things that I can do. If I want to download the recording myself, I just have to click on more and I can download 2 files. That will give me the video file and I believe an audio file as well. If I want to share this with somebody else, say that I have a TA that I would like to upload the video instead of myself, I will go to share, and this will give me some options here. Now, you want to share the recording, so you can choose whether publicly or only authenticated users. In most cases, I would just stick with publicly. Only authenticated users can kind of restrict pretty heavily who has access, and that may actually cause some issues with even sharing it to the people that you want to share it with, depending on what kind of account they have. You can add an expiration date to the link if you'd like to. So this would make it so the link is only available for a certain amount of time. We've already checked here, and that should be by default that viewers can download. So again, if I'm sharing this with a TA and I share this link with them, they'll be able to download it and then upload it to whatever format, whatever Google Drive or YouTube that I'd like them to. And view recording on demand, registration required is also something that I would not suggest checking, just because that'll pretty heavily, again, restrict who have access. Password protection. If you'd like to keep this link protected by a password, you can do that as well, just by clicking there, and then you can type in the password that you want. And of course, you'll want to share that information with the person that you are sharing the link with as well. When you're all done, go ahead and hit copy sharing information. And just to show you what that'll look like, you can see right here, we've got this link, we've got the start time, but really the main information right here is the link. I believe I called this link earlier. This is obviously the topic. The link is down here, and that's the information. You can even just copy paste this if you want. That's the important part of this. So when you're done, go ahead and hit done and just share either that link or the entire invite information to whoever you need it to, and they should be able to get it uploaded. Now, once you have your file, either you've downloaded it yourself or someone else has done it for you, you can then upload that to whatever format you'd like. And I believe Susan has some videos on how to get stuff uploaded to Google Drive and YouTube. I'll go ahead and drop that link in the comments. All right, thanks everybody. See you later.